What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here, and currently I'm at the Proton test track, okay? Because today they are having this session for us to test drive and play and get the first hands-on with the brand new Hashtag 3. So behind me, this is the Pro version. We also have the Premium version but in camo now, but the special one is the Bravos version, which is in orange, okay? And today I'll be also test driving the car. And also you will get to see my experience driving it on the test track, okay? So let's go. So the event started with some briefings on the new Hashtag 3, followed by some instructions and guides for the test drive. Right after we are done, while waiting for our turn, I went and checked out the new Hashtag 3. This is the Pro version. Since this is a very first look, I'm just gonna share my experience checking the car out that day. As a Hashtag 1 owner myself, I can't help but notice that the roof is a lot lower and at the back it actually slants down. But for someone who is 180 cm, there is still room above my head. There's no problem with leg room as well. And the interior on the front is also similar with the Hashtag 1. The big screen in the middle, the little screen behind the steering, and also everything else looks the same except the aircon fans. When it comes to the seats, the design looks a little bit different and I feel that it is more spacious and more comfortable on a Hashtag 3. Is the smart logo here a little bit too much? Let me know in the comments below. But if there is one thing that I want to point out, I want to say that the compartment in the middle here is quite ugly. The lines on this lid reminds me of the Iron Man suit. If you currently own the Hashtag 1, there is nothing much to miss here because the interior really looks the same. Even the frunk in front is the same size. So this is the Bravos version and this orange only comes with this version. The Beats logo is still around, as well as the red accents including the seat belts, the headrest and more. After checking out both the Hashtag 3, it was time for me to test drive. Light, and then brake. Okay, so just done with the test drive. We went inside, we did some cornering, and then we also went outside to the bigger track. My first hands-on experience is that the handling is very good. It is very stable, even though I did the obstacle course. It was able to control, very solid, okay? And of course, the speed is crazy. Although I'm driving the Hashtag 1, I'm very familiar with the speed, but with the Hashtag 3, the speed is a little bit different and it feels a little more acceleration that I truly like it. And even though it is very fast, the handling was also still very stable and also very solid. So there you go, a short session with Smart, trying out the new Smart Hashtag 3. We've seen the Pro version, we've seen the Premium version, and behind me, that's the Bravos version, okay? Of course, it is coming to Malaysia very soon. No set date yet, but keep a lookout on all the Smart Malaysia social platforms. Price, I also don't know yet, okay? As a Smart Hashtag 1 user, I do hope that it is also priced nicely so that more people can actually enjoy the amazing design and also the technology behind the smart cars, okay? So that's all. If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press share, press subscribe, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and also follow me on my car Instagram account called Electric Pop, okay? And I'll see you in the next video. Yo.